Hello, everybody, and welcome to the incredible world of ChatGPT and generative AI. I'm so glad to dive into this master class with you in this video. We are going to get you set up the for technology perspective as well as share some big tips for the really getting the most out of this course. First thing first, you're going to need ChatGPT account. Going over to openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. I'll provide this link in the description. Or you can directly search in a web browser ChatGPT. It will be up here. After opening the link, you can find Try ChatGPT. Click on Try ChatGPT and it will take to you into the page that look a lot like this. Now you can notice you can create new tab at any time and think of this like a creating new tab in a web browser similar to a web browser. It will save all the previous conversations so you can access them at any point of time. Now click on these three dots next to your name. Go to settings. There are two things you might want to tackle before your beginning. First of all, you can switch the theme between lighter mode and darker mode. Lighter mode. This is lighter mode. Can switch to darker mode as well. Or you can put it into system mode. So I'll prefer the darker mode. And next thing is you need to click on data control. Here you can see option called export data. You can export all the your conversations. You can also export all your conversations. It will send them to your mail at any point of time so that you can save and store all your ChatGPT conversations. Go and explore ChatGPT. We'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.